Yeah, we're out here cutting wheat. I'm helping my buddy. I don't have any wheat, but he's using my semi, and I told him I'd haul a load in for him so he could keep moving for the elevator. He's got his John Deere. I don't know what it is. It's a big rotary. It's not an S series. It's the other. Not the new S series. I don't know the number. I can't remember. 680 or something like that. He's just getting started. So I thought I'd do a little video of this. Nice looking wheat field. Probably a lot of hog manure on. He's got a hog barn. He's coming around here. Yeah, I guess that's where the elevator closes. They're not staying open late because there ain't that many people cutting wheat yet. Some of it's kind of tough. This is kind of tough, I think. I didn't get my convoy out, and the guy I do custom work for, he wanted me to take his wheat off. I don't have my header ready, or I don't have wheat concaves for mine. I just got the inserts. So Chuck's gonna take his off. A neighbor buddy here. Yeah, if I would have known he wanted it off, I might have made preparations for it, but he didn't tell me till the last minute.